Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are diving into the world of jute craft and burlap art, burlap craft. You can get very easily this materials and very reasonable price, and you can grow your business with it. And this festival season you can make beautiful ornaments, packaging ideas, story, put the story on Insta, and you can get best tips in this video. So stay tuned, watch till the end. We want to try bring for you very best designs for burlap ideas, burlap making crafts. You can grow your business with it, and you can watch our or other videos and you can get more decoration. Watch as we transform a simple arch into a sparkling holiday masterpiece. So, which as we transform a simple arch into a sparkling holiday masterpiece, layer by layer. You can get very best ideas from this video. You can take SS and you can make it at your home. These are very impressive and interesting ideas. You can grow your business. You can grow your business with these small items, because it's not just about decoration, it's about togetherness. It's festival about togetherness, happiness, warmness, and how welcoming you are. And we want to try bring for you a very best ideas and designs. So if you want to get more designs like this, you can watch this with full video and you can get best ideas from this video. As you know that, watch we as transform a simple arch into a sparkling holiday masterpiece, layer by layer, recreating a warm and inviting entrance for family and friends with it. Whether you are decorating your home, a party, or even a shop front, this festival is sure to spread joy and capture heart. At Burlap Art, we believe in making every celebration beautiful and memorable. So let's dive into the festive spirit and light up this season together. Hope you like these designs and ideas. First, we'll start with the base of our arch frame. Make sure it's strong and secure. It will hold all the decoration beautifully. Next, we wrap the arch a lush green garland. You can give it that classy X-Max look. Red and green touch with red and green touch. Layering is a secret, adding fullness and natural festive touch. Now it's time for the sparkle string glowing fairy lights around the heart of X-Max decor. They set the mood instantly. After that, we add ornaments, red, gold, silver, or any theme you like. Place bubble ribbons or and little X-Max accent carefully so every side shines with detail. To finish, add a touch of magic, maybe a big bow. Make your heart, make your X-Max tree, glitter stars, added bead, or even hanging bells. This final touch brings the whole arch to life. And there you have it, a stunning X-Max arch decoration that makes every doorway feel festive and welcoming, perfect for your home, shop, or holiday. A burlap art, we bring creativity, beauty, and joy into every design. Thank you for joining us, and may your holiday season be filled with love and light. So, hope you like that these designs and ideas. We try to bring very best and beautiful designs. We begin with the arch frame, strong and simple. The first layer is burlap ribbon wrapped carefully around the structure. Burlap adds a natural farmhouse style texture, making the decoration feel cozy and handmade. And it's really nice to make your home beautiful. feel design and very impressive and cute. So the first secret is presentation. We are also talking about how you can grow your handmade decoration business with X-Mix. The first secret is presentation. Beautiful X-Mix art instantly catches attention, but the way you display it matters even more. Style it at your home entrance, in a shop, or at an event, and share photos and videos across social media. So a good display sells faster than words. Second, focus on unique touches. Burlap art is already rustic and charming, but adding a small personalized detail like family initials, customized bows, and themed color makes your design stand out and attract more customers. The third, use social media wisely. Record short videos of the making process, before and after transformation, and close-up shots of details. People love seeing the craft come alive. It builds trust and admiration for your work.